Hello viewers, I am Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, I'll give you 3 tips on how to study effectively. First one is where to start from. This is a very common question asked by most of the students कि मैम कहाँ से start करें? आंसर बहुत easy है. Start with the easiest chapter. जो chapter तुम्हारे लिए बहुत easy है वहाँ से start करो. Now for different students, different chapters are easy. So जो तुमको easy लग रहा है वहाँ से start करो. Okay. What happens is when you start with easy chapter, you are able to solve most of the questions or all of the questions. So what will happen? It will boost your confidence. And confidence बढ़ेगा तो subject में interest भी बढ़ेगा. Okay. I know most of the students don't like maths or they are scared of maths. तो अगर तुम इजी टॉपिक से स्टार्ट करोगे तो तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट थोड़ा सा बढ़ेगा. ओके एंड देन यू कैन मूव ऑन टू लिटिल लेस इजी चैप्टर. ओके उसको ट्राई करो सॉल्व करने का. देन थोड़ा टफ चैप्टर. ओके सो ग्रेजुअली यू आर ग्रोइंग इन दैट सब्जेक्ट. ओके ग्रेजुअली तुमको मैथ्स अच्छा लगने लगेगा. ऑलराइट सो start with easy chapter. That is actually going to help you out. Okay. Second tip is keep your concepts clear and note down the theorems, formulae, identities, table, whatever is required for that particular chapter. Okay, so let me elaborate. First thing is keep your concepts clear. तो जो भी हम लोग ने lower classes में पढ़ा है वो तुमको आना ही चाहिए. So parallel lines है, alternate angles, corresponding angles, different types of quadrilaterals. So क्या properties है different types of quadrilaterals का, then BODMAS rule. So very basic things which you have learnt in lower classes you should be knowing in classes 9 and 10. Okay, so if you're questioning that, first clear that out and then start with that particular chapter. Okay, so let's say that I am starting with factorization. Okay, so factorization I cannot solve without identities. Identities are required, right? So what I'll do is before starting with the exercise, I'll note down all the formulae and learn it and then start with the exercise. Okay. If I'm starting with triangles, then triangles में congruency है तो congruency के लिए मुझे सारा test पता होना चाहिए. Okay. All the tests, different types of tests, ASA, SAS, SSS, RHS, all the tests I should be knowing. Okay. And where I can apply it. Okay, so I'll write down all the tests, which type of triangle में applicable है. Also, different types of triangles you should be knowing, their properties you should be knowing. Okay, so very basic things which are required even in classes 9 and 10. Okay. Last one is make a schedule and practice. So this you must have heard from your school teachers as well as parents कि maths जितना practice करोगे उतना याद रहेगा. That is totally true. The more you practice, the more you remember. So practice के लिए पहले schedule बनाना पड़ेगा, time allot करना पड़ेगा. So maths के लिए 1 hour allot करना है, daily का 1 hour. Okay. If you cannot take out 1 hour, start with 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes for a week or 2 and then gradually increase the time. Alright. What you will do is in this duration, you are going to solve textbook sums. Textbook का ही sum solve करना है. Consider any one chapter, any one topic and उसका solved example solve करो and बाद में start with exercise. Okay, so what will happen is whatever number of sums you're solving, 5, 10, 15, 20, let's say you're solving 10 sums on an average daily. By the end of the week you have solved 70 sums. So you are finishing the syllabus slowly. Alright, but this is eventually going to help you out. So students जितना possible sums है, don't stick to 10 only just because I said so. 20 possible है, 20 sums solve करो. Okay, so practice from the textbook itself first. Whichever textbook your school refers to, ML Agarwal है, Selina है, जो भी है. Okay. After practice you might want to know what types of sums will be asked in exams और कितने marks का ये question है. In that case, you need question bank. So for question bank, I would suggest Oswal books. I came across these books recently and trust me, they are extremely helpful. Oswal books is available for both classes 9 and 10. Okay. and it is as per the latest syllabus 2025 के हिसाब से updated syllabus है. How are these question banks helpful? Let's see. Firstly, they have given chapter wise and topic wise solutions. तो हर एक चैप्टर में कौन से important questions है, their solutions and also the marks allotted to them. So 1 mark questions कौन से है, 3 marks कौन से है, 4 marks कौन से है, along with the solutions they are given. What else? Revision notes. At the beginning of the chapter they have given revision notes. तो ये revision notes में पूरा chapter का summary आ जाता है along with the formulae. So very beautifully given. Even short में देखना है तो mind maps है. Mind maps are beautifully given with the help of diagrams. So diagram के help से तुमको पूरा chapter ही याद रह जाएगा and उसका formulae भी याद रह जाएगा. Next is mnemonics. So mnemonics के help से you can memorize the formulae. Okay, short में कैसे याद रखना है? It is really helpful. Next is they have given you the mistakes that you make. So info boxes है commonly made mistakes. So students कहाँ mistakes करते हैं and that is how you can rectify your mistakes, right? So commonly made mistakes as well as the answering tip. So I think this is really beneficial for students of classes 9 and 10. To place your order, refer to the link in description and in comment section. I really hope that the tips help you and you score well in exams. All the best.